Welcome back to Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and in today's walk-around video we're looking at new Toyota 4Runner SR5 in underground color. This 7-seater body-on-the-frame SUV comes with 4-liter V6 engine that paired with 5-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain produces 270 horsepower with 278 pound-feet of torque and capable of a 5,000 pounds towing capacity. We have lots of cool exterior features here, like Toyota blackout badging, pre-collision sensor integrated into the grille, block heater outlet integrated into the grille as well, LED headlamps, LED fog lamps, hood deflector, full 3M paint protection film kit on the front part of the vehicle, on the pillars, on the front part of the roof, mirrors, door cups. Also, we have 17-inch wheels with BFGoodrich all-terrain wheels with dark gray matte TRD alloy rims. Some more features here I want to show you is that we have original Toyota dash camera integrated into the windshield. Also, we have running boards, window deflectors, Yakima basket type roof rack, also raised roof railings, comes standard, SR5 and overall blackout badging on this 4Runner. Privacy rear windows with tint. This 4Runner has front and rear ventilated disc brakes. We also have mud flaps at the front and the back of the vehicle. This 4Runner equipped with keyless smart key fob entry. Right here, this is our smart key fob, and in order to lock this 4Runner, just simply press those 2 lines on the door handle, and to unlock, put your hand in a door handle to unlock it. Exterior mirrors are equipped with integrated turning lights and blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert. Driver's door have some leather-like soft padding material inserts here, and equipped with the powered windows with auto up and down for all 4 windows, power doors, window lock for your passengers, some storage compartments, bottle holder, and speaker. We have tilted and telescopic leather-wrapped steering wheel here, and on the left side from it, we have exterior mirror adjustment buttons, brightness interior light adjustment, automatic high beams as a part of Toyota Safety Sense feature, 120-volt outlet at the back, and front windshield wiper de-icer. Behind our steering wheel, we have informational gauge cluster with 4-inch digital display with some of the useful information about your vehicle. Like here we see our safety settings, like lane departure alert, pre-collision system, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert. We can do vehicle settings and meter settings. Then we go through any possible technical messages that could pop up here. Audio control, steering angle, tire pressure monitoring system. And this is our speed, sway warning, and fuel consumption information as well. On the steering wheel on the left side, we have audio controls with the volume up and down, voice intelligent assistant, music mode button right here with the music off if you press and hold it, our hands-free buttons, driver multi-informational gauge cluster controls, front sonar sensor, for our dynamic range cruise control, and lane departure alert with steering assist, and the cruise control switch placed behind the steering wheel. Before we move to the center of the dash, here we have engine push button start and heated steering wheel button. We have digital clock, our hazard lights with duct vents, and 8-inch Toyota multimedia touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, also Toyota connected services. This 4Runner comes with 1 year of free trial for Remote Connect, 1 year trial for Safety Connect, and 10 years free trial for Service Connect. Inquire about all those services from your product advisor, but that's a great, super convenient features that sync your 4Runner to your Toyota app on your smartphone, and you can do lots of things from there and receive all sorts of useful information about your vehicle. This home screen outlay could be customized, and this is our menu options right here with display settings. Navigation is available by subscription as well, and this is our phone controls and audio controls. Also Sirius XM, HD radio, everything's available here. We have dual automatic climate control for the for the driver and the front passenger. With air conditioner, we have front windshield de-icer and rear window defroster with the exterior mirrors that are heated as well. Storage compartments here and here, USB port and 12-volt connector here. Moving down to our cup holder with removable insert. If you have a deeper or bigger mug or cup, you can remove that. Also, our 4-wheel drive controls are right here for high 4s, low 4s, and high 2s. Another storage compartment, TRD badged gear shift knob with the leather. And this is our automatic transmission shifter right here. Another cup holder with removable insert and a storage compartment here. Heated seat for the driver and the front passenger, and our rear glass that's going all the way down and all the way up. Central console has pretty big armrest with storage compartment and another 12-volt connector there. This is our storage area, and we have separate box for paper tissues here. Moving to overhead console, we have electrochromic rear view mirror with garage door openers that are placed on this central overhead dash. And as I mentioned, original Toyota dash camera that comes with the memory card as well, and could be accessed on your laptop or a special app on your smartphone. Here's the storage for glasses, traction control off button, active traction control, downhill control, Toyota SOS Safety Connect button right here for roadside and emergency assistance. We have sunroof in this 4Runner, so that's our powered sunroof buttons right here, garage door openers, and map lights for the driver and the front passenger with LED light that helps with visibility in the central console when it's dark, and sun visor with integrated mirror and automatic light right here and extender on the side. Interior in our 4Runner SR5 made of soft tex of gray and black shades. We have headrests in both seats here and for the rear passengers as well. Driver's seat here is 8-way power adjustable with 2-way lumbar support, and front passenger seat is 4-way power adjustable. Down here we have also all-weather rubber floor mats with the 4Runner badging in them and plastic door seals to protect our paint from scratches and damages. Rear passenger area have the same plastic door seals here as well, and door is equipped with the same leather-like soft padding material here with powered windows, speaker, bottle holders, and storage compartment. We have storage pockets behind driver and front passenger seat, and behind the central console we have duct vents and 2 USB-C ports for your rear passengers to stay connected and charged. And in the middle we have cup holders with armrest that could be folded. The second row seat is folding 60-40 in order to get access to our third row seating. And this is our third row seats, and they have cup holders here as well. Moving to the back of our 4Runner, we see rear spoiler with integrated stoplight in it and roof integrated shark fin antenna there at the top, privacy rear glass, more Toyota 4Runner blackout badging, Also, plastic bumper protector to protect your bumper from scratches while loading and unloading your cargo. We have class 4 towing hitch receiver with the spare tire here and 4 and 7 pin connectors for your trailer, and there is a recovery hook here as well. And also we have TRD black chrome exhaust tip here. Backup camera at the back and 2 additional lights. In order to open back door, we just simply press the button behind it. And at the back door we have speakers, optional light here, and handle to put it down. This is the cargo space with the 3rd row sitting up. Also, this 4Runner comes with a cargo cover, which will protect the back of your 4Runner from any spills or dirt while camping or off-roading or moving any messy cargo. Also, it comes with the cargo net. And let's see on the cargo area without the 3rd seating down. This is our cargo space with the 3rd row sitting down that forms completely flat surface. As I mentioned, 3rd row passengers have cup holders and some storage areas. Also, this is a 120 volt outlet right here at the back for your tools or camping appliances, and another 12 volt connector. And also this 4Runner comes with tonneau cover or privacy cover that goes into those openings, extends, fixed here, and nobody can see what you have at the back of your 4Runner through your windows. Thank you for watching this walk-around video about new Toyota 4Runner SR5 7-seater SUV with 5,000 pounds towing capacity that we have here in stock. This powerful SUV comes with lots of standard features like heated driver and front passenger seat, power adjustable driver seat, heated steering wheel, Toyota multimedia touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius XM and HD radio, original Toyota dash camera, powered sunroof, and so much more. Stop by to test drive this 4Runner today. If you have any questions, drop them below in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to look latest Toyota vehicles walk around videos. We are located at 137 Avenue and St.Albert Trail at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, the big Toyota dealership.